Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This video is a mini haul. I've recently purchased a few bits and pieces of makeup that I want to show you guys. I was in a store at DFO Homebush the other day, a cosmetic store that I hadn't noticed before. It was the first time I'd actually seen it, so I was very excited to see it because all the makeup in there was high-end. I don't even know what the store is called because it's not actually on the receipt, but down the bottom here it says Estee Lauder Corporate Stores. So all the makeup in this store falls under the Estee Lauder umbrella. I spent a total of $101.80 and that got me 6 items of makeup. 1 Estee Lauder product and the rest were MAC. I grabbed this Estee Lauder Day Wear Multi Protection Antioxidant Sheer Tint Release Moisturiser with an SPF of 15. I've been looking for a tinted moisturiser for a long time because there are so many out there, but I'm just not happy with the drugstore ones. This one is lovely. I have tried it on, but I don't want to use it too much because I want to take it with me when I'm overseas. Now, when I am traveling, especially with my son, when we're on holiday, my makeup routine needs to be not only simple, but minimal time spent because all I hear is, "Mom, hurry up, you're taking too long." I wanted a base that would give me, you know, some coverage, very light coverage. It's just going to sort of tone my complexion rather than cover it. Estee Lauder foundations are wonderful in my opinion. I used to wear them all the time until I stopped wearing foundation for a long time and just started using BB creams. This one's actually really beautiful. It neutralizes with your skin color, matches your skin perfectly. It's very lightweight, it's very glowy and very bronzy and just everything I love. So I'm very happy with this purchase. Now in stores, this foundation is $85. In the outlet store, it was $60 and they had a further 50% off, so I got this for $30. Just fantastic. I also picked up a MAC lip liner in Subculture. I've mentioned this on my channel before in my June favorites. If you haven't seen it, I'll link it down below. It's a beautiful lip liner. It's one of their most famous shades and the formula is just beautiful. It's creamy without being too slippery. You can work your strokes. There's no breakage. It's just top quality lip liners. MAC do the best. And the shade is just a beautiful nude brown shade and I absolutely love it. It looks great alone with just some lip gloss over the top, or it pairs back with basically most of the lipsticks in my collection. And this in store is $30, at the outlet $24, and they had, I think, a further 30% off this lip liner. So fantastic value there. I also picked up a couple of eyeliners. They had them there 2 for $15, which was just a steal. I've been looking for a lilac colored eyeliner because when you have green or hazel eyes, lilac or violet brings out the green in them. And I've been looking for one that's of a very pale sort of pastel, and then I found this, exactly what I was looking for, and the shade is Violet Infused. I also picked up the shade Frisky Fresh. It's like a minty turquoise kind of color. And they're beautiful again, just so creamy. They're gorgeous. They're very light, very pastel, but I just love them for highlighting. They're great for highlighting in the inner corner and lower waterline. And then I also picked up a couple of lipsticks. I got the shade Please Me and the shade Myth. So Please Me is a beautiful pinky shade, a gorgeous pink. I love it for the summer months. I think it's gorgeous. Myth is a beautiful nude. Well, I think it's beautiful if you like concealer lips, that kind of look, but not too much. Not a strong nude, but it's absolutely gorgeous. And the retail value of the lipsticks, so in store they're $36, at the outlet $29, and then I think I grabbed these for $20 each. That's right, they were $20 each. $108 for 6 different products. 1 Estee Lauder, 5 MAC, I think is amazing value. So if you guys haven't checked out this store at DFO, go check it out. They've got heaps more, but of course I was drawn to the products that had a further reduction on them. That's just the way I shop. I love getting bargains, and plus I know I'm going to be in America in a few weeks and I'll be able to shop to my heart's content when I'm there. I've also picked up another Maybelline Color Tattoo eyeshadow in the color Barely Branded. This is a gorgeous color. I mean, all their colors are gorgeous, but this is so beautiful. I have it on my eyelids now. It's just a beautiful shimmer. You know those days where you don't really bother with your eyelids except for mascara or maybe dusting some bronzer over them? This is the perfect shade because it gives your eyelids a little bit of shimmer, and I've got some on my eyelids now, but it's just the most pretty, subtle, lovely, gorgeous. I'm loving this color so much. I think there's another color that I want to get. It's called Tickle Pink or something like that, but it's always out of stock when I go to pick them up, so I still got to get them. I want to get all the colors. I think they're amazing. The Maybelline Color Tattoos are like one of my favorite products from Maybelline. And lastly, I picked up this liquid lipstick. It's by Cahmilian, I think that's how you say it. The shade is Chasing Summer. I've mentioned that I am looking for the perfect orange matte lipstick while I'm away, and I think I may have found it. This was from TK Maxx. They do have a lot of discounted cosmetics there. This lipstick is beautiful. When I tried it on, I could barely get it off. It was so hard for me to get off, but wow, look at that color. Isn't that stunning? I think if you have a tan and you have bronzy skin and then you apply this with just very minimal makeup, you know, just some mascara and some black eyeliner and then this on your lips, I think that is stunning. So yeah, this was $15 and I got it for $5. And that's all I have to show you guys. I know it's not much, but I was very excited about these purchases and I just wanted to show you guys. So I guess that's it for this video, guys. Thank you as always so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye! This is the perfect shade. Yes, I don't mean... No.